Welcome to Styling Curvy Presents. This is a place for you to come and me to share styling tips, body confidence, products, everything that will help you to thrive from the inside out. Come and enjoy. In today's video, I want to talk about travel and more importantly, what you're packing in your shoedrobe. If you're going away for more than a few days, you need more than a few pairs of shoes. But how many is too many? Today, I'm going to take you on a little journey into what shoes are coming in my suitcase for a holiday with the hus to Japan. Come and have a look. Meet Beth, the brogue with a rock star edge. This shoe is going to work hard for me. It speaks to my style personality with the gorgeous silver. I love that they come with the blue laces. So if you didn't know, all Frankie4 brogues come with two different colored laces. I'm totally going the blue. This shoe will take me from day to night. I can wear it with jeans, with a skirt. I love the white profile here. It's just a little bit sporty and fun. She's going to work hard. Now we all know my love of a sneaker, and I don't like to choose favorites because it's like choosing a favorite child, which on most days would be the youngest. Meet Nat. This is one of my favorite sneakers. You can wear them with or without the laces. I prefer the cream. The cream I can wear in all 4 seasons. It's not jarring on the eye, and this sneaker is great for walking holidays. It's going to be comfy, it's going to be stylish, and I just love this sporty stripe around the edge. Just elevates it a little bit. I'm hoping the hus will take me on a date while I'm in Japan, and if he does, I'm going to wear Sally. Sally is an everyday workhorse boot that you can still wear from day to night, but because I'm on a working holiday, I want a low heel. I love the two-tone look of the Sally. The two-tone means that this heel will always bookend with my hair, so even if I'm wearing all black, I'll still look stylish. I love the texture, and she's just cute. Sally, I'll see you in Japan.